Naveli MLA Luisin Falero has brought out the controversy of a bridge being constructed of only 3.6 meters in height at Naveli. He charged that the minimum height of the bridge was 5 meters. He wants the work stopped and a proper inquiry done and plans rectified. Here are the details. The work is being done by a Norwegian company. The government had already paid them 60 crore rupees. However, as the company is not following central guidelines, the work should be checked and if necessary, stopped. Earlier too, locals had come out in opposition to the project.
Honorable Chief Minister phoned me in the night and informed me instead of 3.6 meters, he will direct the PWD National Highway to maintain minimum 5 meters height. I told him, I'm thankful to you, I appreciate your intervention, but we expect minimum 5.5 meters. Please try. He has assured me that he will try to bring to 5.5 meters. At the same time, I have demanded there must be a thorough technical inquiry as to how the guidelines can be flouted by the consulting engineers. As to how this sort of a substandard work, when I'm saying substandard, this sort of a work is permitted by the supervisory authorities in PWD from a Norwegian company are now functioning and advising, and they are the consultants for this area, for which I am told they are paid around 60 crores for the national highway works. Now, after being paid such a huge money, and PWD engineers are not allowed to change, they have to write to them and they change it. If they are allowing such works which are against the guidelines of the national highways, I am giving you those papers also, then I think something is wrong. Government must investigate how this bridge, both the bridges started construction, how the minimum height was not maintained, and whether the works are to the standard of the national highway guidelines, and take action. Meantime, stop the work, submit the papers, show us.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Naveli.